Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we attempt to fix this top-down Tornado 1200. It's a 12-volt AGM or lead acid or a 6-volt charger. So I was plugging and charging my vehicle, and somehow my son didn't tell me that he was going to take the car, and then just drove off with it while the charger is plugged in to charge the vehicle. So as you can see, unfortunately, TOPDON, they didn't have this quick disconnect, and when he drove off, he pulled the whole charger with it and then came apart. Lucky nothing else is broken. I was kind of surprised that this side, I figured this side would break easier because cable on this thing is much thicker and stronger and bigger gauge. So I will need to unscrew those 6 screws on the bottom right here. I'm not sure what size is the Allen key, or is the Torx. Hopefully I could open it up and solder the cable back in there. You see those white stuff? I think those are the white silicone to prevent from moisture. Anyway, I got this gym home precision tool that I'm going to insert in there and then open it up. It's a nice tool set. Be sure to check out the link in the description so I can check it out. Let me see if this size or not. See, this is magnetic. Pretty cool. Seems I got the right size. Yep. Yeah, imagine if I don't have this tool, cannot open it up. I think some of the case is kind of tweak or bent. So somehow this one broke off. It looks like it's a heat sink for that chip. So yeah, I need to take out this board right here. Has 1, 2, 3, 4 screw. Looks like a Philip. And then I need to solder this 2 joint there. Let me change the tip. I'm going to leave this out here so I don't need to look for it again. So yeah, I need to desolder those 2 joints right there for the AC input. And we need to put this back and then put some silicone around it. Well, I'm going to add some more heat paste on there, or the thermal paste. It's just dangling right there. Yeah, I need to cut the wire. Got my old soldering gun right here. This is the old wire. Maybe the hole is big enough. Alright, looks good, and we're gonna put it back together. Alright, as you can see, I put everything back now, so hopefully it's gonna work. We're going to plug it in, and hopefully it's not gonna explode. And plug into the battery and test it out. Alright, here you go. Alright. This one's the AGM, so I'm going to switch to AGM. Alright, AGM. I'm going to plug it in. Positive. Negative. And then press more again to charge it. Alright, we're back in to business now. So it is flashing at 75%. That means charging. And now it's jumped to almost 100. So yeah, anyway. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.